Dad, is Mom okay? She is sleeping here.
Shh. She is okay, Henry. She is just very tired. Mom worked so hard, but she still did a lot of house chores and takes care of all of us.
We should help her more, Dad.
You are right, Rose. Keeping the house clean is a team effort, not just Mom's job. Tomorrow is Saturday. We need a plan.
What kind of plan, Dad?
We need to answer a big question. How to make Mom happy.
I know. Let her sleep. We can do the chores.
That is a brilliant idea, Rose.
It will be a secret mission.
Shh. Keep your voice down. Yes, a secret mission. Okay, team, gather around. Listen carefully.
We are ready, Captain Dad.
Today is Mom's day off. We will make breakfast and do laundry. Oh no! Freeze! Nobody move!
Did she wake up? Is she coming? I don't hear anything.
Phew! She is still sleeping. We are safe. Henry, you have to be careful. Keep it quiet.
I am sorry, Dad. It was an accident.
Okay, let's sneak into the kitchen.
Tiptoe, 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 tip.
We will make her favorite pancakes and fresh juice.
I can get the eggs, Dad.
Thank you, Rose. Be very gentle with them. Shh! Henry, that is too loud.
I am trying to open the pancake mix, Dad. It is tough.
Use the scissors. Don't rip it. We must be silent ninjas.
Got it. Snip, snip. Silent ninja. Dad! I heard a noise from the bedroom.
It is just the bed creaking. Let's start cooking quickly. Silent ninjas? They sound like a herd of elephants. Henry, can you pour the milk into this cup? Carefully.
Oh no! I spilled the milk! It is everywhere!
Milk on the floor? My favorite! I am coming! Stop, Popcorn. Shoo! Cats cannot drink cow's milk.
Why not, Dad?
It is bad for their tummies. It will make him sick. Sick? Okay, never mind. I will stick to fish. Henry, grab the paper towels. Let's wipe the table.
Okay, I am wiping it up. Sorry, Dad.
It is okay, buddy. Accidents happen. Good job cleaning it. Watch carefully, Rose. Crack the egg softly on the bowl.
Like this, Dad? Crack.
Perfect. Now whisk it with the fork.
Dad, look at the stove. It smells really bad. There is smoke everywhere. Fire!
Oh my gosh! The pancake is burnt! I forgot about it! Henry, quick! Turn on the exhaust fan! Push the button!
I pushed it. The fan is on.
Open the window too. We need the smoke to go out.
Well, the edges are just a little crispy.
It looks like a black circle.
Okay, the kitchen is a bit messy, but the tray is ready.
I put the orange juice on the tray.
It looks lovely, even with the burned pancake.
Dad, look! I made a card for Mom.
Let me see. We love you, Mom. This is beautiful, Rose.
I drew a pink heart on it.
Put it right here next to the juice. Mom is still sleeping. Let's do the laundry while we wait.
Yes! More chores! Let's go! Wow!
Are they leaving the burnt pancake? Excellent. All right, laundry time. Let's put everything in.
Wait! Dad! Dad! You almost put a red sock in the machine!
What? What is wrong with the red sock?
No, Dad! Stop! Mom's favorite white shirt is in there! Dad! You almost ruined Mom's favorite shirt! She would be so angry!
Ruined? Why? It is just a sock.
You can't wash red with white. The white shirt will turn pink.
Oh, my God. A pink shirt. You saved me, Rose. You saved my life.
Mom always says we need to separate the colors.
Darks and lights. I forgot. Thank you. Okay, only white clothes in the machine now. It is safe.
What is next, Dad?
Now, we need to pour the liquid detergent.
It is blue. It smells like flowers.
Pour it into this little drawer here. Close the door softly.
Can I press the button to start it?
Yes, Henry. Turn on the washing machine.
It is working. Water is coming in.
Mission accomplished. Now, let's wake up Mom.
I will carry the juice.
Let's go back to the kitchen. Careful, team. The coffee is very hot. I am balancing the tray.
Walk slowly, Dad. Do not spill it.
I am walking very slowly. Tiptoe.
I am so excited. Mom will be so surprised.
Okay, Henry. When I count to 3, you open the bedroom door.
My hand is on the handle. Ready.
1, 2, 3. Open it. Surprise! Good morning, Mom!
Oh my goodness! You startled me! What is all this?
Good morning, Eileen. We brought you breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed? For me? Why?
We wanted to answer a question. How to make you happy.
So today is your day off, Mom. You do nothing today.
My day off? You guys did the chores?
Yes, we washed the clothes too.
I am so surprised. I don't know what to say. Let me read this card. We love you, Mom. This is beautiful.
Yeah. We tried our best. The kitchen is a little bit messy.
I spilled the milk, but I cleaned it up.
And the pancake is slightly burned. I am sorry. How does it taste? Is it bad?
No, William. It is perfect. It is the best breakfast I have ever had.
Really? You like it, Mom?
I love it. And I love all of you so much.
Happy day off, Mom.
Enjoy your coffee, Eileen. You deserve it. Okay, she is happy. Now, let's look at the real kitchen. Oh boy. I said it was a little bit messy.
There is flour everywhere, Dad.
Yes. A secret mission means we have to clean up the mess, too. Don't worry about the floor. I am washing it with my tongue. Henry, grab the sponge. Rose, bring the broom. Let's get to work.
I like sweeping the floor.
Good luck, William. You are going to need it. Let's clean this up before she sees it. The washing machine is done. The clothes smell so clean.
What do we do now, Dad?
Now, we have to fold the clothes. Watch me, Henry. Fold the sleeves in and fold it in half. Easy.
I can do that. Let me try my shirt. Look, Dad. I found 2 yellow socks. They are a match.
Great job, Rose. Roll them together into a little ball.
I made a sock ball. A ball? Throw it. I want to chase the ball.
Okay, put the folded clothes in the basket.
Wow. The house is completely clean. You folded all the laundry?
I folded my own shirts, Mom. It took a long time. I matched all the socks.
We realize doing all the chores is a lot of hard work, honey. From now on, we will help out more every single day.
Yes. I will make my own bed.
That is the best gift ever. Thank you, my wonderful team.
A family is a team.
Team Smith.
To finish Mom's day off perfectly, a movie night.
This is exactly what I wanted.
Here is the popcorn, extra butter.
Can we watch a dinosaur movie, please?
Of course we can, Henry. You guys earned it today.
I am tired, Mom.
Lean on me, Rose. You worked very hard today.
We love you, honey.
I love you all. Press play.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.